everybody, Lisa the Pilates girl here. Today's exercise is the bent knee plank with a leg reach. Now we're going to be using our forearms, so it is wrist friendly. So let's start in our plank position, bent knee of course. This is for all my beginners. We're in our plank, straight line from my head to my butt. I'm not hanging my head or looking forward. Push the floor away with your forearms. Extend your left leg, bend it. Extend your right leg, bend it. Keep pushing it away and reaching that leg. Now, if the bent knee version is just like, oh my gosh, this is darn easy, come on up, full plank. Lift the leg, lower. Lift the leg, lower. When you're doing this harder version, make sure your head to your butt is straight and your hips are in a nice straight line. So you have two options. Play around with the beginner version where you just slide your leg. That gets so easy over time. You're like, I can do more. Come on, give me that full plank. Make sure your alignment does not get affected when you go to the harder version. Make sure you have a straight line from your head to your butt. Your form is not sacrificed. I'll see you on your mat next time. Bye.